Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be going over an update from Webtalk. Now they made it a lot easier to earn. So I'm gonna give you the quick update right now with the rewards program. So so for sign up bonuses, you could earn $5 when you enroll in Webtalk Rewards. That's just enrolling. So you don't. Not only is it free, but they are giving you $5 each time you enroll. All right. Now the second part is earn $5 when one of your WebTalk referral enrolls in WebTalk Rewards. So every time you get someone in and they enroll in WebTalk, you not only enroll every time you don't not only earn $5 when you enroll, but every time when your referral enrolls in the WebTalk Rewards program, you also earn $5. All right. And then earn $5 per Webtalk Rewards member referral through 5 levels when you earn the 5 level reward bonus. All right. Now all these changes will be included in the new rewards website, back office, and rewards enrollment agreement coming within the next I would say month or so. All right. Now that was my quick update. Right. If you like what you see, go ahead and click on the link below and get started and start earning that money. All right.